Friends, when a team grows, so does the surrounding noise. Work slows down, not because people care less, but because creating and updating content becomes heavy and chaotic. Confluence with the Rovo AI is built to fix exactly that. Instead of facing a blank page, you can use Create with Rovo to turn a short prompt into a working draft. My name is Daniel, and in this video, we'll walk through this platform together. I will show you how it helps you create content faster. You will also see how it keeps answers easy to find when your pages start to multiply. Everyone, after watching this video, be sure to check out all the useful links in the description. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's jump right in. Alright friends, so Confluence is a collaborative workspace where teams build knowledge and manage projects together. Instead of keeping it scattered across tools, it replaces endless message threads with something calm and structured, where information stays clear and easy to return to. Every piece of work has its place. You open a page, add your thoughts, and see how they connect to the rest of the project. Edits appear in real time, so collaboration feels alive rather than mechanical. The Rovo AI integration helps you find answers instantly by surfacing relevant knowledge from across your teamwork graph. It can also automate repetitive tasks, so you don't have to waste your time doing it manually. Guys, behind that process stands Atlassian, the company known for creating tools that keep teams aligned. Confluence fits naturally into that ecosystem. It speaks the same language as Jira and Trello, so tasks and updates move smoothly from planning to delivery. This isn't just about keeping notes tidy. It's about giving a team one place to brainstorm, make decisions, and stay connected as work keeps changing. Folks, now let's see how Confluence works in practice. Imagine your colleague couldn't attend a meeting and wants to quickly understand what happened. Instead of reading through all the notes, they can use AI for an automatic summary. So let me ask Rovo to summarize this page for exactly that situation. And here we see what the document contains. It analyzes everything and shows us the meeting summary right here. You can copy it, send it to colleagues in chat, or add it at the beginning of the document for quick reference. This small step saves real time. And if reading isn't convenient, Confluence can also turn that summary into an audio briefing. This way, teammates can listen to the key points, like a short voice update. Now let's look at another powerful feature inside Confluence – intelligent search. Imagine that a week has passed since that meeting, and we need to remind ourselves what tasks were assigned to different people. Normally, you'd open several pages, scan them, and try to remember where each task was mentioned. Here, you can simply ask AI. For example, folks, I ask which action items Paul owns from that October meeting. Rovo scans the related pages and gives a direct reply. It explains that he is responsible for the technical documentation and that it is due on October 25th. It's quite impressive how precisely it understands the context. Rovo reads your question and interprets what you mean before building a structured reply. You also get a link to the original page, so you can open it immediately and confirm the details. That kind of precision is what makes the tools so practical. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Now I want to show you how it actually helps you create content, not just search for it. Imagine I need to write technical requirements for our designer, Liza. Normally that means staring at a blank page for a long time and trying to structure my thoughts. Mates, I click the Create button and choose Create with Rovo. A new window opens where I describe what I need. I ask it to draft a document that explains the profile design task clearly and gives Liza a simple plan to follow. I can also add files or a template so the agent understands our style. If I want deeper context, I switch the thinking mode to options like Let Rovo decide, Think deeper, or Deep research. Then I send the prompt and let the system do its work. In a few seconds, guys, the draft appears as a structured page instead of a raw wall of text. I see a clear structure that guides the work, highlights the main points, and even adds a timeline and tables where they make sense. It looks like something I would normally build by hand, only now it is ready almost instantly. Moreover, it's possible to dictate the prompt if you want to move faster. The system supports speech input right inside the editor. I can shape the draft on my own first and make sure it looks right before adding it to Confluence for the team. I can also ask Rovo to refine sections, and it improves the draft with cleaner wording that keeps the meaning clear. My friends, the AI toolbar helps me fix the tone, expand the thought, or make a part shorter when the flow needs balance. And I still have simple editor controls that let me shape the note until it feels polished and easy to read. The whole process feels smooth and genuinely helpful. And once this draft looks solid, teammates can join in and adjust sections together in real time, so the page keeps evolving. Now folks, here comes my favorite hack. We already have a detailed design document, so it is the perfect source for proper tasks in our project tracker. Instead of building each Jira task by hand, I ask Rovo to turn this document into actual work items for Liza. I tell it to use the timeline, pull out the milestones, and create tasks that follow the structure we already agreed on. The agent reads the page and turns it into a clear set of assigned tasks with realistic due dates for Liza. This closes the loop from idea to document to tracked work without extra clicks or boring manual steps. Okay guys, so after spending time with Confluence, I've gotta say this platform makes teamwork way less chaotic. This workspace gives you everything you need without unnecessary complexity. From AI-powered search and creation to real-time collaboration and seamless integrations, it's all surprisingly intuitive. You don't need to be a tech wizard. You don't need expensive training. Just create a space, start documenting, and watch your team become more productive. Give it a try and see how it works for you. How much time does your team waste every week just searching for information? Share your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time.